Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can send emails using Python. So let's just create a new file and get started. So the first thing that you have to do is import the module SMTP. So it stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's the most basic library for sending emails using Python. So now let's declare a few variables, that is our email ID and the password. So let's just create a user email variable, and then the password. Okay, so now the next thing that we can do is create a function called define mail, and what are the criteria, to whom should we send it to, and the content of the message or the email. So now we have to create an object that connects us to the SMTP server. So let's just create a variable called server and s.smtp. So I'm using Gmail, so the host is smtp.gmail.com and my port number is 587. So what this does, it's just links us to the SMTP server. The next thing that we have to do is server.ehlo. So this is more or less like saying hello to the server. Yeah, and the next step that we have to do is server.start TLS. So TLS is a method of encryption, stands for the transport layer security. So it's a method of encryption, and now we have to log in into the server. The server.login, you can just do user and password. Okay, so now for sending the email, all we have to do is server.sendMail. So the first option is from who we are sending it to, so that's me, the user, and to, and the content of the message. So, and after this, let's just server.close. So this closes the server. Next, we have to declare what to and content are. So let's create a variable called to, and it takes an input from the user. Yeah, so this asks for the user's email, and the content is equal to input. So let's next just try mail to and content. So let's just run it and see if it works. What is the message? Hello. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it says authentication error. So this occurs because I haven't turned on the access to less secure apps. So for turning on the access to less secure apps, the link is down in the description. You just have to follow the link and over here turn on the access. So now let's try and run it. Let's see if it works. Okay, so there's no error. Let's just see if it's there. Okay, so over here there's no subject. So how do you send the subject? So for that, let's just create another variable. This is the message, and let's create another variable called subject. So it gets an individual subject. And now we can group both of these together as the content. Content is equal to F. And for going to the next line, \n, and now the message. So let's try this again. Subject test hello. So there's no error. Let's check our Gmail. Yeah, so here you got the email with the subject. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe.